Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, hello viewer, KGR. Thank God today is a beautiful day. November 28th. The weather look nice, beautiful sunshine. I'm just enjoying it. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing, support your boy. Like I always say, it takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. You better believe that. Anyway, today I'm working on this 2005. It's a Toyota Sienna. There's a code that came up, code PO157. It's talking about the O2 sensor, Bank 2, Sensor 2. So I'm going to bring you guys along and show you where it's located and what it's going to take to do this. But I haven't said that, KG, you know my slogan, let's go. We getting it right now, Brooklyn. So if you look down here, you see there's a sensor right here. That sensor right there is Bank 2, Sensor 1. Then the Bank 2, Sensor 2 is going to be underneath. I just want to point that out. So let me take you underneath. Is this Bank 2, Sensor 2. That's what we're going to be replacing. And you can see it has some little oil and all that underneath. So we're going to come right here and do this guy. So here is where the connector is going, right down here. See the connector right there? So you go on this slot right here. So I'm going to go ahead, break this guy loose, and then we'll take this guy out. Okay, you can use just ordinary flat to lose this. You can be able to do it. You just make sure you use some good food. So that's what I did. There's a 22. Break it loose. And make sure you disconnect this guy too. So the thing is gonna be turning around when you try to take it out. So it's on the, it's like on a slot here too. See, it's right here on the slot. We have to take off this clip right here. Now let me go ahead and take it up. But I broke up this already, as you can see. Let me go ahead. Alright, so there's a sensor there. I have to take off this guy. So you know this sensor, when you're losing it, the wire turns with it too. So anytime you lose, you turn the wire. Okay, you know that connector will make it to be going back like you tighten it. That's it right there. I'll bring the new one. Alright, the oxygen sensor is here. I'm just going to advise you, if you want to change one of these, make sure you get Denso. It's the better one, you know. If you're not getting the OEM, do Denso. That's the part number right there, 234146. So I took it out of the box already. Check the connector. Sure everything is the same. So we're gonna go underneath there and put this bad boy. KG. Just when you put in this guy, just make sure when you're turning it, make sure the whole thing is turning with it to the wire. If not, the thing is gonna, as you can use a flat to do this. Once you do that, just tuck it back in here. And get my 22 flat. Get my 22 flats and tie it off, then we'll connect it down here. I used to break it, so you can use this. It's easy. You just have to have some little muscle. That's all. Though I have the one that I use, I have the oxygen sensor too. But I was just right there. I have the 22 with me because I was doing some stroke. So I just, and so I'm gonna connect this guy right now. Yeah, once you connect it, just make sure you put the something back on the slot there. That's it. Alright. So that's it. Job is done. So it's getting a little chilly down. The sun just went down. So questions, comments, you know I go. KG. See you in my next episode. Peace. Brooklyn. Love y'all.